Hello everyone, my name is Neha and I'm from Summon Substance Advisors. Today we want to talk about how you can become a CFO of your own business or how you could benefit from having a CFO services. Either you do it in-house or you get someone outside of your business to help you with those tasks. So it is, as much as it is important to run a business and work in the business, it is important to work on the business and make sure it's running the way you want it to run. The dreams you had before you started the business, it's actually fulfilling them. So first of all, the most important thing for any business to do is having monthly reporting on business performance. Now, monthly reporting on business performance is not just looking at profit and loss. You want to see which product or service is bringing most income in, whether the projects are being run profitably or not. Are you spending too much money on something that you could source, a bit more economically from? So you're really looking at the business in the whole picture, making sure that you're not overspending, making sure that you're not running any projects on loss, or you're not selling anything on loss. So those sort of things are important, which get covered in your monthly reporting on business performance. It is a good idea to do a quick bookkeeping review as well, just going through some reports, balance sheet, just making sure that, looking at profit and loss, those sort of things, just making sure that everything has been put into the correct area. Obviously, you trust your bookkeeper, but sometimes it could be the lack of communication, whatever could be the reason. Something quick could be a balance sheet check, whether the assets on your balance sheet is actually what is in your business. So those sort of things are really, really helpful. Then there's debtor and creditor management. So debtor management is more of your accounts receivable, but it's a little bit more than that. So it's resolving why you have accounts receivable beyond, say, 30 days. Do you need payment gateway to ensure people could pay quicker? Or do we have difficult clients? Or, is there no contract, but did people not know how much you're going to charge them? So that sort of thing. So it's a whole sort of data management procedure that ideally we should all do as business owners. Creditor management is another one where you look at what bills we are receiving. If you're not being able to pay in time, why? Is someone, someone got some, funny terms where they expect to be paid the same day, just against those sort of things, and then renegotiating those things with your terms with your suppliers. Business system review, so systems that you use in your business, whether it's accounting, it's CRM, or payment gateway or stock system. Are they talking to each other? If you've got 3 different systems and they're not integrated, then it's not efficient use of your money and systems and resources. So ideally, you should be able to look at the system where you could connect everything. Digital forecasting and budget. So ideally, you should be able to set up the forecasting and budget in a way. You should be able to compare that every time you do a report. It's important to do forecasting so you know what to expect, you know what's coming. No surprises. We don't like too many shocks and surprises. Surprises sometimes are great, but not in a negative way. Digital KPI dashboard. Ideally, you have a dashboard on your phone. You can actually see business performance in real time. Then identifying and monitoring key business drivers. So have 3 to 5 key business drivers that you think are important to run your business. Some would look at gross profit, some would look at, bank balance, some would look at current ratio, those sort of things. So have those set, and then keep monitoring them on a monthly basis and understand them. So if something is going down, why is it? Could it be seasonal? Could it be because you were away and the key business income earner wasn't available? Could it be because staff was available? So everything happens for a reason. And as a business owner, we all need to know that reason and fix it. So if it was because the staff was not there and you missed on some income, going forward, if this situation comes, maybe we should have the process in and everything correct, that if one of the team members go, you could hire someone to work casually on their behalf and have the processes intact. They can just pick up the procedure and do the job. So those sort of things, again, these get identified if you look at your financials really closely, and then having the quarterly accountability meeting. So we all can get really bogged down into day-to-day business stuff, which is easy to do. But if you don't sit back and look what your goals were at the start of the quarter, and you sit down and see whether you've achieved them, how far you are from achieving them. If you don't do them, then you start something new. You will, you won't be able to get there where you want to. So basically, what I'm trying to say is, whether you do it in-house or you outsource it, it is important to think like a CFO of your own business, to work on the tasks that we just put on the slide, to make sure you are across your business financially as well. You want to know how it's running. At the end of the day, we all need to make sure there's enough money for us. And there's obviously a dream that you started your business for. You want to achieve that dream as well. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you've got any questions, feel free to contact us at 0401 409 573. Until then, thank you very much, and I shall see you next time. See ya.